The story of four friends. Long time ago, in a jungle, there lived three friends: a turtle, a crow, and a mouse. They were very good friends and they always used to help each other. One day, when they were sitting and talking near the lake, a deer walked up to them. These three friends saw the deer for the first time in the jungle.
Are you new here? I have never seen you before in this jungle. I am new to this jungle. I had no friends in the previous jungle, so I came here. Oh, so you are in need of a friend. Yes.
Now the turtle, mouse, crow, and the deer became very good friends. Every day they all used to go in different directions to search for some food, and by evening they used to meet at the same spot. But one day the deer did not return in the evening. Due to this, the other three friends got tensed.
The sun has almost set. Then why hasn't the deer yet returned? He never comes late. Yes, he should be back by now.
The three friends decided that the crow will go to look for the deer. While searching for the deer, the crow heard a voice of the deer. He gazed down at the ground and saw that the deer was trapped in the net. "Dear friend, please help me come out of this."
Yes, you just wait, I'll be back.
Without wasting any time, the crow went to the turtle and mouse and narrated them the whole situation.
What? What are you saying? A hunter? Yes, a hunter trapped the deer. Before he returns, let's go and save our friend.
They reached the spot. The mouse started cutting the net with his sharp teeth and saved the deer.
Are you okay, my friend?
"Yes, I am fine.
All you saved me.
Suddenly, the hunter returned to the spot and saw the deer free. Seeing the hunter, the crow quickly flew away. The mouse and the deer ran from the place, but the turtle, however, could neither run nor hide in a place. The hunter caught the turtle and put him in a sack. After some time, the deer, the mouse, and the crow gathered at one place. They were very sad about the turtle being caught by the hunter. "In order to save me, the turtle got caught."
I have a trick through which we can save our friend turtle. But how?
The crow explained them the plan and how it has to be executed.
The hunter is alone and we are three. He hasn't reached the river yet.
"That's a brilliant idea. Let's go now." They reached lakeside and, according to the crow's plan, the deer pretended to be dead. And the rat was waiting in the bushes for the right moment. The hunter reached the spot and saw the dead deer. He left the sack with turtle behind and came near the dead deer. The hunter got greedy upon seeing the dead deer. As soon as the hunter moved away from the sack, the mouse went to the sack and started biting it. The moment when Hunter came closer to the deer, the crow flew away, and the deer got up and ran away. The hunter failed to understand what was happening. By now, the mouse and the turtle rushed towards the bushes and hid there. The hunter felt distressed. The crow, the deer, the mouse, and the turtle reunited again and lived happily. So, the moral of the story here is unity is strength. Thanks for watching.